No, it's okay. I've got it. You're not going to go anywhere? You're just going to stay there? Really? I have no more fish. I have no more fish. I don't know what to tell you. No? You say anything? Really? That's it. That's all you can say. Let's see, we're on about 4.5 minutes with you just sitting here. Yeah, just giving me attitude. No, anything else? No, nothing else? It's the boat. That's it? Okay, it has to be like 5 feet away from me. I have no more fish.